My name is Sophie. I am 25 years old. I work as a sales manager in a big company. Last month, my boss sent me to a business conference in the city of Westwood. I had to stay there for 3 days. The company booked a room for me at the Grand Star Hotel. I arrived at the hotel on Thursday evening. I was tired from the long train ride. The hotel lobby was beautiful. There were big chandeliers and soft carpets. A young man at the front desk gave me my keycard. Room 309, third floor, he said with a smile. Enjoy your stay. I took the elevator to the third floor. The hallway was quiet and clean. I found my room at the end of the corridor. When I opened the door, I saw a comfortable bed, a wooden desk, and a large window with blue curtains. I unpacked my suitcase and took a hot shower. Then I ordered room service, pasta and juice. After dinner, I worked on my laptop for 2 hours, preparing my presentation for the next day. At 11 p.m., I turned off the lights and got into bed. I was almost asleep when I heard something strange. Someone was knocking on my door. I sat up in bed. My heart started to beat faster. Who could it be at this hour? I checked the peephole. No one was there. I went back to bed. 10 minutes later, it happened again. This time, I was shaking. I called the front desk. A woman answered. I will send security now, she said. 5 minutes later, I heard voices. A guard knocked softly. Miss Sophie, it's hotel security. I opened the door. Behind him stood a woman, maybe in her 20s. Her hair was messy. Her face was red. I am so sorry, she said fast. I knocked on the wrong door. My friend is in room 306. I forced a smile. It's okay. Please be careful. They left. I locked my door again. But now, sleep would not come. Then I heard something else, a sound that made my blood turn cold. A woman crying. Not soft crying, broken crying, scared crying. It came from the room next to mine, room 311. I put my ear to the wall. Then I heard a man's voice, low, angry, sharp, then a thud, then another thud. My stomach turned. This was something else, something dark. I opened my door slowly. The hallway was empty. I walked to 311 and knocked. Hello? Are you okay? The crying stopped. Then a woman whispered through the door. Please, go. Please. Her voice shook. I whispered, Do you need help? Before she spoke, a man yelled, Get away from the door. I stepped back quickly. My hands shook. I ran to my room and locked it hard. I called the front desk again. My voice was shaking. "There is a woman in danger in room 311, I said. I heard hitting. I heard shouting. "Please send help." This time, the receptionist said nothing for a moment. Then she whispered, "We will send security immediately. Please stay in your room." 10 minutes passed. They felt like hours. I heard doors open. I heard shouting. Then silence. I did not sleep. At 3 a.m., someone knocked again. But this time, it was a soft, gentle knock. "Miss Sophie, it's hotel security." A female guard stood there. Her face looked tired. "Miss, thank you for calling," she said. "You helped us stop something very bad." I asked, "Is the woman okay?" The guard nodded slowly. "She is hurt, but she is safe now. We called the police." I felt a strange mix of fear and relief. I stayed awake until morning. At 9 a.m., I left my room to go to the conference. When I opened my door, I saw something on the floor. A small paper. I picked it up. Inside was a shaky, written message. "Thank you. You saved my life. Room 311. I stood there for a long moment. I felt heavy and light at the same time. That day at the conference, I tried to focus, but my mind stayed in that hotel hallway, in that dark room with that broken voice. On my last day, as I checked out, I saw a woman wearing sunglasses and holding a small bag. She walked fast. She did not look at anyone, but when she saw me, she stopped. She whispered, "Thank you." Then she left.